What we're looking at here is a pretty much standard Walmart power climber, about $120 bicycle. The rack is not standard equipment, but with a couple quarter 20 bolts, some UHW, and some metal to support the box, we have your ballast and everything here. It's a plug-in, and this is your golden wheel, I suppose, chrome, whatever it is, golden wheel here in the front. And this is an electric bicycle that easily capable with a few swings or the pushing with, if you help with your feet. We have a throttle here. You power on. I put the black tape on there so I'm incognito. But the bike will run at about 25, 28 miles an hour, somewhere in there, depending on what you're doing. It'll actually go faster down any hill than any bicycle you've ever seen, because the weight just picks you up and takes you. In the back here in the toolbox, we have 4 12-volt 9-amp batteries running at 48 volts and 36 amps. So, this is your power pack. I have a lot of, if you look, you can see we use this pink, it's an insulator, as well as, in between each batteries you'll look and you'll see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a little spot for tools that we stick in here. We always can't carry a standard screwdriver, pliers, a few other little things, so you can adjust your brakes, different stuff, and you keep little tools there. Anyway, anybody want to see me ride it? I'll show you a trick. Got to get it down off the porch first. It's heavy. All this equipment is heavy. It's turned about a 20 some pound bike, which is a heavy bike because it is one of the spring-loaded things. But I think the spring-loaded action works very well, considering all the weight of the batteries are right resting on the rear wheel. So, let's have a look. I'm going to pull it off the porch here. And it's heavy right now. Pay attention, it's very heavy. Probably 75 pounds. So, here we go. Alright, here we go. Front wheel. Oh. Sorry, not plugged in. Give me a second. See, I'm going straight, almost straight throttle right now. Come on, shoot out of there. There she is. That's without pedaling at all. I'm riding with one hand too right now, and I'm using my right hand brake, so this is a fairly aggressive hill, and I'm pedaling right now to give the bike some backup, but I'm going up about a 45-degree incline at probably 20 miles an hour. And effortlessly. And like I said, the bike weighs about 75 pounds. The brakes are pretty good. So this is my rear brake on my right hand, and then I have the throttle here. But this is an aggressive downward slope. With the battery pack in the back, I pick up speed. Probably running about 28 miles an hour right now. And then you pick up again. I hit throttle. Ah, see, something came unplugged. I don't have any juice in my thing right now. Gotta be real careful about these. They bounce a little bit. Anyway, that's my version of a really decent install on a electric hub bicycle.